Now let's quickly look at this image to understand endocytosis and exocytosis. So, if this is the extracellular fluid, that is the intracellular fluid, this is separated by the cell membrane. So, these are the molecules which want to be transported from outside the cell to inside of the cell. So, you can see that there is a membrane that's being formed around these molecules, and it separates off or pinches off from the cell membrane, and this vesicle comes inside of the intracellular fluid and the contents are released. This is the endocytosis. Just the opposite of this is exocytosis, where the vesicle that is already formed gets into contact. There occurs vesicular fusing with the cell membrane, which you can see here. After that, there is a subsequent vesicular content extrusion, right? All the secretory granules are extruded out. This we are terming as exocytosis.